Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Great. Can you hear me? Where is my audio? No problems. Can you hear me, Zoe? Zoel, can you hear me? Ayub? Hey guys, can you hear me? Hmm. Can you hear me? Hi, testing. Hi, can you hear me? Okay. Seems like I've got a problem with my GoToMeeting. Wonder why.
Hey guys.
Yeah, just waiting for Zoel. Richard, by the way, has already left the office, so just gonna be the three of us. And don't worry, I got also the agenda, so please send the
Not
invite.
not a problem.
Hello, hey there.
Hi all.
Hey Zoel.
Yeah, hello. Sorry, my voice is a little bit got a bit noise. I mean, like because I'm having some throat problem.
Don't worry, have some whiskey when you finish this meeting.
Yes, will be. I will do that.
You'll be
Okay.
feeling much better.
Yeah. Can we start now?
Yes, we can.
Okay. So
Uh,
we're
So
gonna
where were
be
we the last time?
uh. So so who's gonna be the presenter? I mean, like, is it you, Ayub?
you? I thought it'll be you, Zoel. You were showing us now the walk around with
Okay.
the
So
SSH.
okay. So I will show you, right?
Yep.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Wait. Sorry. Wait.
So Ayub, I just like to confirm the just to you verbally. So the last three tasks were already, I think, done last time, like configuring the exital trunk and as the back. Yeah.
Yep.
and the trunk option and the trunk peers from the graphical user interface. It's already
Yes,
done.
that is done.
Okay,
Yep.
perfect. And right now, our item is to check the trunk status and call status using the SSH, the putty.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Can you all see my screen now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So this is the party, okay?
Mm-mm.
So we'll type here, right? pond.geidi.com, okay? And we opened. So
Uh, I, I think it's on your other screen. Okay, there you go.
okay, and that, and this is I'm going to use my own account. I mean, like my own user.
Yep.
But later you can use the root user provided by UD, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
So this is my password. Okay. So this is the SSH screen.
Your screen's not showing anything. I don't know if it's us.
S- you can't see anything.
No, it's just stalled.
So,
I can see the
okay.
free PBX screen, like the
Oh,
it's
it,
like a
it, it might be delayed, right? Yep.
yeah.
So you can see the black screen now.
Uh, yeah. Yep.
Yep. This is the SSH screen.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. And then we are going to type this one. Okay, this is when you are going into you. I think this is the comment that you need to type when you want to see the asterisk surface. Okay, type it down. Okay, we call the now we are in the asterisk console, and then any
You, you,
question
you,
here?
no, we can't see anything. Maybe your screen's just frozen on us.
Hmm, that's a
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah. Maybe just stop sharing and then start again.
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
That's
let me
okay with
start
me.
again.
Is that okay with you,
Can you see now?
Zoe?
Yeah, can you see screen now?
I can see, but it's like as what you mentioned, it's frozen also on my end.
Okay, I will stop sharing now.
Yeah, but
Okay,
okay.
Yep. Okay.
Can you
Try again.
retry? Try again, yeah.
yeah, now share again.
Yep.
Okay,
Yep.
Perfect.
so you see a blank screen now, right?
Yes.
Black and blank, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So now after uh, after we in the SSH mode, we will type this one asterisk space min r. Okay, that's the function to call the asterisk console.
Yep.
Okay, and to show the SIP condition, you need to type SIP show peers. Okay, you type it
Yep.
down. Okay, type it
Yep.
again. This is the condition of the SIP registration. So you see that seems a little bit problem in the internet connection because this is the latency is too high. This is 333 millisecond. It means that that's a high latency.
Okay.
Okay, but you can see that all the trunk is registered and working fine, but only we have problem with big latency. That's all.
Yeah. And that's
So
because of.
that because of maybe it's because of the unstable internet connection.
Okay.
There might
Okay.
be a problem with internet connection. So you can check again. Just
Yep.
type it. Okay, still the same, right?
Mhm.
Seems yeah. It's possibly because of the internet connection problem. So you have to check with the ISP. I mean, like you need to check what is your internet speed now. Is there any problem with the internet connection?
Mhm.
Okay. That's how we check the SIP.
Okay.
And now SIP has two registration, right? One is peer and the other is registry. Now to check the registry, you only type zip show registry. You can write down. I will wait. Can I continue now?
Yeah. I
Okay, you
think
can
your
you can
screen.
you can just say, please wait a minute because I will try to stop a bit.
Yeah.
And
Um, give me a second. Sorry, Zoel. Bear with me a sec.
yes,
Just one sec. Just one sec.
see that.
I'm just getting my putty running.
Okay.
Hey, Zoel. Sorry, I'm not finding my account details. Hmm.
Did you mean the SSH?
Yeah,
Okay.
SSH account.
Okay.
I'm
So
just
maybe
trying to.
you can email UD to ask about the password.
Yeah.
Right?
Alright. Just one sec.
How is it?
I'm still waiting for Ayub.
Okay. And you need to check your internet connection. I mean, like,
Mm-mm.
seems there's a big problem with the internet.
Okay.
See that? That will affect your call quality.
Mm-mm.
Hey, Zoel. Yeah, just continue. I'll have to get UD to scan me the details, but he's in another meeting.
Okay.
Yeah. But
And
yeah, don't worry. I'm taking it. I'm taking down the notes.
okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's better.
Yeah.
Okay. Shall we continue now?
Yep.
Yes,
Okay.
please.
So, yeah, that's this is the command to show the registry status. So you just type down zip show registry.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Your screen has frozen again.
What?
Your screen's
Ah,
frozen
okay.
again.
Now, how about now? How about now?
No, nothing.
Still frozen.
Yeah.
Okay, let me stop. And now?
Waiting for it. Give me a sec. It's trying to connect. Oh, it's gone. It's got into like a blank screen. It's not showing anything.
Seems got a problem.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Maybe problem. That's strange. Hmm. How is that say that? Okay, let me stop and start again. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Start. Start. Is it okay now?
Uh, Trying to load. Waiting for it. Not nothing showing up yet.
Mine is showing, but it's kind of frozen. So
Oh, okay.
you can't see the CMD prompt.
No.
Not a. Mm, mhm.
Or Zoel, I think you still
Yes.
have the go-to meeting. Um, just let's unless we see if we can be able to use that one.
Okay.
Yeah,
So we
because
are
that
going to go to meeting now.
no, just open go-to meeting,
Okay.
and maybe we can use that one to share the screen.
Okay. Let me check.
Actually, the meeting place is still active. I haven't closed.
Okay.
Okay. So I will close this sharing now. Okay.
Yeah, and
Okay.
I'll just tag you as presenter so you can share
Making me
screen.
the presenter.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
And we can
Ah.
continue conversing here.
Okay. Let me check.
Yeah. So keep your Skype and go to meeting open.
Can you see that?
Yeah, already made you there,
Yeah. Yeah.
there,
Yep.
Yeah. I
There
have
we
shared
go.
my screen.
yeah,
Okay.
perfect.
Yep.
You see
Perfect.
that? Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
Yep.
yeah, it's much more clear.
Okay. So this is the second command that you need to check the registry function.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. See that? All is registered.
Yep.
Okay. Means that all is fine. Okay. And this is if you want to check how many calls are, how many concurrent calls are right now, you
Yep.
just need to tap this one. Okay. You see that?
Core show. Yep.
Yep. Okay. It will show you the concurrent active channels. So there's nobody's calling now. Okay.
Actually, yeah. There's no one on the phones.
Yeah.
And the
Okay.
2000 calls processed, is that on a daily or?
No, this is where from the service starts until they stop.
Okay.
Okay. So it will be it can be a total from a month or from 2 months. Okay.
Okay. Before you continue, Zoel, up there
Yes.
where you can see warning, what's the warning on that SIP trunk?
Okay. So this is it said that timeout. I mean that there's a like a session problem with the call. It might be related to the internet connection.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
But this is warning. But if there's sometimes you need to ignore, but you need to check for the error. Sometimes warning is not really related to server performance, so everything is working fine. Though you see the warning, you can ignore
Okay.
it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
That's good. Yeah,
And
I can
then
see.
yeah. And then what else do you need to know? Uh,
Okay. Do, 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 do. That's the registry. Are we able to know or restart Capilano from here?
so you need to restart the server.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying if in case we needed to.
Oh, okay. So if you need to, you just
And
tap
then,
here.
yep.
You just tap here. This is to restart it.
Okay.
Okay.
Remember the other day when the phone lines got hacked? How did you check for where the intrusion came from?
Okay. So you just go to this one. Okay. You need to go to the Esther's console. and
Yeah.
then we can try to make a call.
Okay.
You can try to make a call now.
I'm wondering why I should call because I'm trying to see because the IPs have been blocked. If you
Ah,
call, if we call, let's
let
say a
me.
different country.
So you cannot try calling now.
No, I can. Do you want me? One any number or on one of the countries that are blocked.
Any number.
Okay.
You can see that the block one too.
Okay.
Ayub, maybe you can. Okay, is it practical if you call one of our tech guys here in Cebu, or is it not? If you want to test. Um, so far, no one's taking
Okay.
a call.
Okay. So you see this one, right? This is you are calling through this line. You are calling this number and
Alright.
using this line.
Oh,
Okay.
Right. What's
So
that one?
when
Yeah.
yeah, when there's a problem, it will show here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Wonderful.
Oh, and don't forget that you need to type this one before me. Okay. After you enter the asterisk console, you need to type this one. You can write it
Um.
down. Yeah.
And what's that one for?
That's to increase the verbosity so you can see the logging. Okay.
All right. And
Yeah.
more details on the call.
Yep. No details, Manur.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Um. I spoke to the Simtex guys, and they were telling me. Where did I write down that information? Is that just more on the call?
Huh?
Is that just more details of the trunk or?
Yeah, this is the comment from this result from this comment.
Oh, show peers. Yep,
Yeah, it
yep.
it, it it will show the connection. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So you can still see the latency here. It's still high. I mean, like it's still
Still
big
high.
number. Yeah. It should
Yeah,
be like under 100 millisecond.
yeah, like above there where it was showing
Yeah,
10
yeah, like
milliseconds.
this one. Yeah, 10 and then 26 and then like that. Under
Mm.
under 100 is good.
Would this be internet from this server to Simtex or?
Maybe the server itself.
Okay,
Uh, because like this, okay, this is a remote extension, right?
yeah,
One, it still has a big latency.
yeah, that's a very big one, yeah. Okay, alright,
Okay,
that's good to know. Yep.
yeah.
Apart from that, thank you for showing us that. What other
Any,
basics do you think um we should keep in mind with?
yeah, you just okay. If you have problem with the calls, you need to check the trunks first. So you need to check that this zip so appears. Is everything is okay? I mean, is everything registered? You need to check this one. Okay, everything is registered, and then you need to
So,
check the
so in a case if you do the CIP show peers,
yes.
are we looking for?
Ye-
Mm,
Say that if you have one extension that got problem, okay, and you
Mm-hmm.
just check this one, okay. Oh yeah, you are not registered, okay. You can
Yeah.
see that this one to 025 is not registered. That's why you
Okay.
cannot receive or make calls, okay.
Okay.
Okay, and then if you cannot dial out, and you need to check the trunk,
Yep.
okay. And here you will see that, okay. This is the first line, second line, three line, and this is the redundancy backup from Axtel, right?
Yes.
Yes, you need to
So
check
what?
it.
Okay. So what it does, it goes through all those different trunks
Yep.
before, if one fails, the other one
Yep.
kicks in.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this can it will dial sequentially. Okay, so for one first, and then two, and then three, and then this one extra tile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. There's been a lot of inconsistency where you see the unknowns. So
Yeah,
the unknowns up there basically means we were losing connection
yeah. This
all
extension
those
is not
times.
registered. Yeah, this extension is not registered. This one is not registered.
Yeah,
We have this one. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
also that if you have problem, you need to set the variables to 21, and then you can see what happened in the log when they are calling or you are calling. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So you
Are you
just, yeah, you can see the log like that.
okay? Yeah,
Yeah.
with the course set variables 21.
Yes. Yes. Correct.
Okay.
See.
All right.
Okay. Is there
Mm,
anything else? Maybe you can write down. Okay, and we can discuss it later. Maybe.
mm-hmm.
Okay. So if you need to know if you have any problem there, you can just type it down and we can discuss it later.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
As it goes on, maybe we'll find different ones. Then we can work on them.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Mm,
Okay.
okay. All right. That's good to know. At least we've known how to access. Now all I need to do is get the root
Yeah.
access to the SSH.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Because I talked to yesterday and they say that they will give you the user. I mean, like the original user, so you can use it
Yeah.
to access the SSH.
Yep.
Ayub,
Okay.
Ayub,
Okay.
can you hear me?
S-
Mm,
Is there
Ayub,
anything else?
Ayub.
nah, actually, no, I'm good. I'm
Uh,
Okay.
just trying to read that and see the registry.
Okay.
do you still need the user credentials?
Yeah, I'll get them from UD.
Yeah, he's already available now. I guess he's already free.
Oh, actually, yeah. I don't know if he has a few minutes. Maybe he can join.
Okay.
Um,
I'll try. Do you want me to ask him?
yeah, I don't know. No, it
Uh,
should be good.
okay, I'll try. Give it.
Yeah, thanks, Zoel. How long have you been working with the phone systems?
Phone system. It's almost 2010, 6 years now.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, 6 years.
So, do you work for a company or just your freelance?
Work for company.
Okay.
Mm.
Not Simtex.
No, no, no,
Okay.
no.
Okay. Thank you for the time, at least for showing us this.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we are good right now. Okay, we are good to go
Yeah.
now.
The thing was, what was it? The guys for Simtex were saying apparently we should not be letting the website also be open to the public, and that we need to set back our firewalls.
Okay.
Yeah, because he's
Yeah,
saying even when the attack happened, basically these guys hacked into the actual into the PBX,
yeah,
and they were making calls. Would it be now from inside here?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. That's we need to discuss about it more. I mean, like we need to discuss about it more. I mean, like we need to see the concept of how we are going to set the firewall and everything.
Yeah.
Like which IP is going to access. I mean, like okay, we need to register all the IP and then yeah, we need to
Okay.
check on every port.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. Because yeah, we need to check and make sure at least they're all locked down and only no one else can access it from outside.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Oh, I think we're waiting to see if UD is available.
Okay.
Hey,
Um.
hey.
Hey. Yep.
Ayub, I think he's doing something else, but I think he sent you something.
Yeah,
Can you
he sent me the details. Yeah.
can you check?
Okay. Oh, I tried those details yesterday.
And
It,
any luck?
I was. No. Give me a sec. Maybe let me try them again now and see.
Sure.
Oh, Zoel, yeah. The ones that
Yes.
just give me a sec.
Sure.
Phone.geidi.com.
Okay. Now I think internet is good now. You see the difference? I mean, like in the screen,
Uh-huh.
latency is low now, very very low. So this is good.
Let me see your screen.
60?
Oh, yep, yep. Okay.
It should be like this. I mean, like it should be below 100 milliseconds.
Mm-mm.
It should be below that.
That should be like
Yeah.
the ideal state.
Yeah, ideal state.
Okay. Nah, still having the same issue. I've tried logging in with that. Wondering what would be the problem. Um, hey Zoel,
Yeah.
on the putty is just phone.guidey.com, right?
Okay. Yes,
Uh,
and port is the same. You can use SSH port on 22.
yeah. No saved sessions, nothing else, right?
You can't log in. No.
No, still getting the same issue. Unless, no, definitely unless I'm logging into something different.
Okay.
Let me share my screen,
Okay.
and then maybe you can tell me.
I can make a presenter, by the way.
Sure.
Yeah, yeah. Just change.
Yeah. Ayub is now a presenter.
Uh, which screen are you guys seeing?
Green.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
No, user is not Geidi. User is root.
Oh.
Oh,
ROOT.
the one that we are using is Geidi.
Yeah, no, no.
Okay,
It
that's why.
should be root. ROOT.
Geidi.com, right?
Yes.
And login as root. And 42.
No? How about copy and paste?
No.
No.
Yeah.
It's mm, let me check. There's no Geidi user here. I mean, like it's only root and then yeah, no Geidi user. So I
Okay.
think I
And
think
this is all the same, right?
yeah, yeah.
Nothing here is different.
So I think might be that he accidentally gave you the wrong password. I mean, like he might think that you need the GUI web GUI password.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Oh, and you see, no, you tell me username is root, but is this your same password for root?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the same one?
No. I don't know the root password.
I'll
So you
ask.
need yeah, you need to ask. Yeah.
Okay. You need to give them the root password. The root. Is it
Okay. Yep, there we go.
perfect?
Zoel,
Yes.
I might have been it wrongly, or can you still see my screen?
Yes, I can still see your screen. No, you need to type the asterisk space dash R.
Oh, that's the first one always.
Yeah, that's how you get in into the asterisk console. Okay. Yeah, correct.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. What does that mean? Console variables was off and now 21.
Sorry?
It's giving me a different message there.
Yeah. Yeah, because you enter and it will say like that. I mean like to say that first it was off and then it was set.
Okay. Oh yeah, and
Okay.
plus now there are no phone calls coming through.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Hmm. Good to know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you get the correct password now, right?
Yes. Uh, all right. All right. Thanks very much, Zoel. We'll just wait and see. Keep on trying out and seeing if how things go.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm just saying thanks for showing us at least now.
Yeah,
We know how to
you're very
log
well.
on.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're very welcome. Okay.
And the
So
only yeah.
yeah, so maybe you can try, and if you get a problem, you can type it down, and maybe we can discuss it later after you have so much note. Okay, you have notes, so we can discuss it. Okay.
Mm.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, guys.
All
Thanks.
right. Thanks
Uh,
Lots of
very much,
time.
Zoel.
Yeah.
okay.
Bye.
Is
Alright,
that it?
cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thanks for
Thanks for your
having.
time, Zoe.
Yeah, thanks. You too. Thanks.
Alright, Jerry,
Yeah.
thanks very much.
Sure. Sure. I've recorded the meeting for Richard's use also.
Okay, wonderful.
Yeah. I hope you learned something today.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. That's cool.
Alright, thanks
Yeah.
very
Okay.
much.
Okay. Ta.